Hey, what is up guys? So today we'll be unboxing the Motorola Edge Plus phone, and this is the 512 gigabyte version, and it's the 22 version with the turbo charge 30-watt charger. And here's the unboxing of the phone right now. So let's open it up. It's the Motorola Void sticker. So once you open it, it will become void. All will be opened. And here's the phone. So it comes with the 6.7-inch display, and it's got a triple camera. It's got really nice display. Let me slide that out. So this is the phone, and it's really light to the hand. It's lighter than most phone that I've held actually for this big size of the phone. And it's got a triple camera setup, really nice, 50 megapixel, and the front I believe is 40 megapixel. So it's got round edges all around, which is really nice to feel to the hand, so it doesn't feel really boxy or big at all. Very nice. It feels like more like a Galaxy S8 Plus type of feel to the back. So definitely really nice. And then continuing with the unboxing, let's try to turn this phone on first. And then for the box, it doesn't come with a phone case or anything, but it does come with a SIM card tray insert. And it does come with a 30-watt charger like I mentioned. So this is, definitely really nice to see that they put in a charger. And it's a type C charger. So it's type C to C. So this is, obviously the newer version. And here's the phone. The display is very sharp and vivid, as it has a 144 hertz refresh rate, so it's definitely very smooth. It's very clear actually, with really good brightness, and it's definitely really it's a quality display. You can definitely tell it's better than some of the other phones that it's better than the Pixel 7, to be honest. This phone's display is very sharp, and the color is very solid. It's definitely, it's definitely a really good display. The white balance is really good too. So this phone, for right now, I got this on sale for $200. So this is definitely a super slick deal in my book. This can definitely be a daily driver. For more video like this, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and have a great day.